Good morning. So the dehydrator's run about 11 hours or so. Look at that. Dog treats all ready. Let's unplug that. And I'm going to let it cool. And then I will put it in this bag and put it in the fridge. So, yummy dog treats. Look at that. All done. They're crispy. So, yeah, they know. They're standing right next to me. Finally done. Mom's bracelet became earrings to match her necklace that I made. I'll take some pictures. Maybe I'll put them next. So here's a close-up of the earrings. These were bracelets, and then I tore them down, and earrings they are now. I'm having an afternoon pickle snack. So these are the pickles that I make from the fridge pickles. And I have cauliflower and cucumbers from our garden. You want to hear how crunchy these are? Hold on. Yummy. Garlic dill. Delicious. I've got some Happy Meal, which I'm about to open. It's gonna have to be a separate video. I'll put a link right here. Rockies need a part for the hose. They have green, but no purple or blue. So this is what I needed. Hose adapter shut off. It broke. There's a broken one. I know this is metal, but look, it stopped shutting off. So look, I replaced it with a plastic one, which I'm sure will be broken by next season. But I did find something marked down. Hooks, 2 bucks, and completely plastic basting brush for $1. I have one of these, but the handle is wood, and it just starts to split, so it's completely plastic. Silicone basting brush. You could use this in mixed media too. The least obnoxious color. The rest were orange and red. Or orange and yellow. Or orange and orange. I don't remember. Saw orange and all I could see was green. So let's go home and connect this. I stopped at Veggie World and I got the scoop that one of the owners has been bought out. And the remaining owner, part owner, had to throw out $5,000 worth of expired foods. So yeah, hopefully they'll be cleaner, better, more productive, better stuff. I did get some things. I'll show you when I get home what I got. I'm gonna cook some eggplant tonight. I think I'm gonna make baba ganoush. Here's what I got at Veggie World. A pretty bag of radishes, giant lemons, they were 2 for $1. Some red leaf, some scallions, eggplant because I'm going to make baba ganoush tomorrow, and lots of bananas. Banana! Speaking of, the Minion thing is over at McDonald's. And I have one extra Minion that I would be willing to trade. So I'll post a picture of it on my Facebook tomorrow. So if anybody has an extra one they're willing to trade, I'd love to do that. I only have 3 different kinds. So I have 2 of. So yeah, Chiquita banana. So that's going to be it for me for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and keeping me company. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everyone.